Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to pay with Cash app without a card. Alright, so let's begin. First, open the Cash app on your phone and make sure you're signed in to your account. You'll also need to have enough money available in your Cash app balance or have a supported payment method connected to your account. Once you're on the Cash app home screen, look for the scanner icon and tap on it. Depending on your version of the app, you may also be able to access your personal Cash app QR code through your profile. Your personal QR code can be scanned by participating merchants when you're ready to make a payment. So when you're at the checkout, let the cashier know that you'd like to pay using Cash app. If the store supports Cash app payments, the cashier may scan your personal QR code directly from your phone. In some cases, the store may provide its own QR code which you can scan using the Cash app scanner. After the QR code has been scanned, Cash app should display the payment details on your screen. Carefully review the amount and make sure everything looks correct before completing the transaction. Once you've confirmed the details, tap the appropriate option to authorize the payment such as pay or confirm. After the transaction is successfully processed, you'll receive a confirmation or receipt directly in the Cash app. And that's it, you've now paid at a participating store using Cash app without needing to use a physical card. Keep in mind that the exact payment process may vary depending on the merchant. Some stores may ask you to show your QR code, while others may provide a QR code for you to scan. And that's it. So that's basically how you can pay with Cash app without a card. So that's all for this video.